Hello, PC Logic family! As usual, every year end, you never fail us. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Today, we pause from our busy schedules to say something. We often forget to say, we say it, but we often forget to say it loud. Thank you. Thank you, and thank you. Thank you for giving your best. Thank you for choosing to show up even on tough times.
This is our moment. This is our moment.
Thank you for caring about our customers, our work, and each other.
Our employees, thank you. Sabi nga ni Sir Well, thank you very much. Without you guys, wala po kami dito. So this is for us. PC Logic is for you. Salamat po. Salamat po sa lahat.
This year wasn't perfect, but our teamwork made it meaningful. We faced challenges, but we faced them together. And because of that, we grew stronger and better.
This is our moment. This is our moment. Live like we own it. Come on, let's live it up. You know we'll show it. We can feel it from our heads to our toes. We can
You are the heartbeat of this company. As we close the year, I hope you feel proud of what we've achieved. And as we welcome the new year, may we carry with us courage, positivity, and the drive to keep moving forward. Thank you for being part of this journey. You are valued, you are appreciated, and we are grateful for you.
This is our moment. This is our moment. Live like we own it. Come on.
This celebration is for all of you, for all the PC Logic employees who work hard, who strive hard to achieve our goals. Let's enjoy this well-deserved celebration. Cheers!